N8N workflow. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, go to the N8N website. Once you're on the homepage, click Sign In at the top right to log into your account. After logging in, click Create Workflow from the top right button. Inside the workflow editor, press the plus icon in the center of the screen. A trigger menu will appear. Choose Manual Trigger to start. Next, press the plus icon next to the node, and a new panel will appear. Here, you can choose AI tools. There are several options available such as AI Agent, Gemini, and OpenAI. Then, under Action Apps, you can connect with various applications. Use the data transformation and flow sections for filters and advanced logic. Explore the core section to run code. Use HTTP requests, webhooks, and more. Lastly, there is Human in the Loop for human approvals or inputs. Once your setup is ready, click Execute Workflow to run it. To access more settings, click the three dots in the top right. You can also share the workflow, open the Nodes panel, add notes, or even use the AI assistant. Above, switch between editor, executions, and evaluations.